All right, this is the Quicksilver Bounty Hunter. If you're just starting out in metal detecting and you're not quite ready to get the machine that you see Gary using on Oak Island, this is a great beginner's metal detector. I'm gonna go over some features of the machine, then I'll show you the control panel and we'll do a little test and I'll show you how it works. First of all, this thing is super, super lightweight. One of the cool things about this is you can visually detect what's going on in here, and it also emits 3 different audio signals, a bass signal, a middle signal, and a high signal, and that helps you determine what you got underneath the ground. It'll go up to 7 inches deep with this 8-inch search coil that it has on here, and the coil itself is adjustable and it can be tightened down here if you want, and it's waterproof. Actually, the whole machine's waterproof up to the control panel. Obviously, you don't want to get anything wet. On the back here, we've got a little pin here. Right now in this, I'm 6'2". Lowest setting, I've got it lowest set. It's 45 inches long at this point right now. Perfect for me with my long arms, but if I wanted to, I could just push this pin in and adjust this thing all the way out to 53 inches. You can see how tall that is up on me. So it's got a padded handle right here where it curves in, and it's got padding in here where your forearm rests. The search coil can be detached right here. You can unplug it if you need to for whatever reason and just plug it back in when you're done. Runs on 2 9-volt batteries. You just pull this thing off and here they are right here. Also on the back, it has a feature on here to plug a set of headphones in if you want. And when you plug the headphones into this, it actually kills the audio signal coming out of the machine, so you only hear it in your headphones, and I like that feature. All right, so when you turn this on, it goes through a little self-diagnostic. And you can hear the tones. You saw the low battery indicator come up to indicate that I do have, in fact, low batteries right now. You can see that it detects different types of targets on here. We got iron, aluminum, zinc, aluminum coins. It'll detect gold. You know, obviously different mixtures of metals over the years are in coins now. So, you know, this is perfect for starting out. You're probably just gonna dig everything and see what you got. Over here on the right, you can see it automatically defaults to the medium depth setting, but you can change that by hitting the depth button. There, it's deep now, which is about 7 inches. Shallow is about 65% of that, and medium is about 80% of that. So we're gonna leave it on medium. In order for it to work properly, you have to work in a sweeping motion like this. So let's hit the Zippo right here. It's showing up as a coin, I guess because of the metal that's in the Zippo. Let's go to the nickel. Aluminum, 5 cent. Makes sense. Let's go to the quarter. You can hear that high tone indicating that we've got some type of coin under there. I like that. So an aluminum zinc penny. And let's hit this iron screw right here. You can hear that low bass tone indicating that it's iron. Now, let's say we want to reject all the old iron nails that we have on the ground, stuff like that. We just hit this reject button. A little X pops up to show that we're rejecting iron. And you can reject them all, but let's reject iron and see how it works. Nothing. So if you're looking for a good, versatile, adjustable beginner's metal detector made right here in the USA, check out the Quicksilver by Bounty Hunter. Pretty awesome.